Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, open up your Facebook app. Now once you're in here, find the three horizontal lines. Okay, it might be different if you are using iOS, or the placement may be different if you're using iOS. Okay, just find the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and find settings and privacy. Tap on it, tap on settings. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to Meta Account Center. Okay, as far as I remember, Meta Account Center for iOS is at the very bottom. Okay, just find that and tap on it. Now in here, go ahead over to the account settings section right here. Tap on personal details. Okay, tap on it. In here, just tap on account ownership and control. Tap, and here we have a deactivation or deletion. Okay, just tap on it. Now go and find your Facebook account. Now in here, it says deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. You'll be able to continue using Messenger though. Okay, so if you want to reactivate your account, just go ahead and log into the same set of credentials. Okay, same password and same email. That is it. Just sit and continue right here and follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.